this is Allie Weber as seen on Mythbusters Jr. and for today's Stay and Play, we are going to be teaching you how to play rubber band golf. So what we've got here is some materials that you need. It's not a ton of materials, it's just stuff that you can find around the house. So we have obviously rubber bands. You can use either hair ties or rubber bands. We also have sticky notes, and if you don't have sticky notes, then you can use just pieces of notebook paper that you've decorated with the hole numbers on them. And then we also have another sheet of paper with the score sheets and the tape to put up the holes. So it's pretty simple, but what you want to do first is, it's kind of like golf, so you want to just put the holes up around the house, kind of far apart from each other, so that you can go play those with your rubber bands. So let's go do that. Also, one other thing, if you don't have tape at your house currently and you don't want to go out and buy some, then you can make little tents like this, like I did with the number 3, and it still holds up pretty well, so works pretty good. Alright, so here's the fun part, is where you actually play. You pick out your rubber band of choice, and then you try to get it to touch whatever hole or sign that you're going for. So like right now, number 1's over there, you're going to have to try to like throw it or shoot it or do something to get it to touch the number 1. And however many times it takes to get there, like so if I shot it and then it hit the ground, I'd have to go over to that spot where it landed, and then I could shoot from there and then hit that piece of paper. And so then however many tries it takes you, you want to try to have the least number of tries like in actual golf. So that's the goal of the game. And Jack, I think it's your turn first, so here we go. As you can see, there's a lot of strategies as to how to shoot your rubber bands. So he had an interesting one there. You can also just like throw your rubber band, or you can go and, yeah. I'm probably going to whack my finger, by the way. Ah, I knew it. Okay, it takes a little bit to get used to, but as you can see, it's pretty fun. Oh, you just one shot. Wow, okay. So that's basically rubber band golf, guys. It's pretty simple, but it's really fun, so I hope you enjoy it for today's Stay and Play. If you want to share in the fun, then Dad's going to shoot a rubber band at me, then you can participate by posting a video or a picture of you playing rubber band golf using the hashtag Stay and Play. So have fun, guys.